Good morning, friends. Welcome to Saral Sociology. Let's discuss the concept of bureaucracy. The concept of bureaucracy was popularized by German sociologist Max Weber. Weber is considered one of the key figures in the field of sociology, and his work on bureaucracy has had a significant influence on organizational theory and administrative studies. In his seminal work, Economy and Society, published in 1922, Weber analyzed the characteristics, functions, and effects of bureaucracy as a dominant form of organizational structure in modern societies. He emphasized the rationality, efficiency, and hierarchical nature of bureaucracy, as well as its potential drawbacks, such as the risks of bureaucracy becoming overly rigid and dehumanizing. Now, let's see what actually is the meaning of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy refers to a system of organization characterized by hierarchical structures, formal rules and procedures, specialized roles, and a focus on rationality and efficiency. It is a key aspect of modern societies and plays a significant role in the functioning of government agencies, corporations, educational institutions, and various other organizations. Let's now go through the various dimensions of bureaucracy. The very first is hierarchy. Bureaucracies are organized in a hierarchical manner with clear line of authority and decision making. Each level of hierarchy has specific roles and responsibilities, and individuals report to higher ranking officials. For example, in a government bureaucracy, there may be ministers at the top, followed by senior officials, middle managers, and frontline staff. This hierarchical structure ensures that tasks are divided, coordination is maintained, and accountability is established. Next dimension is formal rules and procedures. Bureaucracy's operations are based on formal rules, regulations, and procedures that outline how tasks should be performed, decisions made, and interactions conducted. These rules provide consistency, predictability, and fairness within the organization. For instance, in a university bureaucracy, there are established procedures for student admissions, course registration, faculty hiring, and budget allocation. These rules ensure transparency and equal treatment for all individuals involved. Another dimension is specialization. Bureaucracies often involve specialized roles and division of labor. Individuals have specific areas of expertise and are assigned tasks according to their skills and qualifications. For example, in a hospital bureaucracy, there are different departments like cardiology, pediatrics, and radiology, each staffed with specialized doctors, nurses, and technicians. This division of labor allows for efficient and effective delivery of healthcare services. Next dimension is rationality and efficiency. Bureaucracies prioritize rationality and efficiency in their operations. Decision making is based on objective criteria, evidence, and expertise rather than personal biases or preferences. The focus is on achieving organizational goals and maximizing productivity. For example, in a corporate bureaucracy, performance evaluations may be based on measurable targets, and decisions regarding promotions or reward are often linked to individual or team performance. Another important aspect of bureaucracy is division of labor. In a bureaucratic organization, tasks and responsibilities are divided among different individuals or departments based on their specialized skills or expertise. For example, in a hospital, there are various departments such as nursing, administration, finance, and medical services, each with their specific roles and responsibilities. Doctors focus on patient care and treatment, while administrators handle paperwork and logistic matters. This division allows for efficient functioning and specialization within the organization. Next dimension of bureaucracy is impersonality. Bureaucracies emphasize the idea of treating individuals based on their role rather than personal characteristics. An example of impersonality can be seen in the hiring process within a bureaucracy. Instead of hiring based on personal connections or favoritism, the selection is typically based on qualifications, skills, and experience. This ensures fairness and equal opportunities for all applicants, regardless of personal relationships. Another aspect is standardization. Bureaucracies strive for uniformity and consistency in their operations. They develop standardized procedures and rules to guide decision making and actions. For instance, in a retail company, there may be standardized protocols for handling customer complaints, processing returns, or conducting inventory checks. These standardized processes ensure that actions are taken consistently across the organization, promoting efficiency and reducing ambiguity. One of the important aspects of bureaucracy is formal communication. Bureaucracies rely on formal channels of communication that follow established protocols. For example, in a government office, officials may communicate through official memos, reports, or emails. Meetings and discussions often follow a predefined structure with designated speakers and agendas. Formal communication help ensure clarity, accountability, and documentation within the organization. So, finally, friends, what we have seen so far is that in a society, bureaucracies exist not only in government departments but also in private corporations, educational institutions, healthcare systems, and other large organizations. It is important to note that while bureaucracies provide structure and efficiency, they can also have drawbacks. Excessive bureaucratization can lead to rigidity, red tape, and lack of flexibility. It may hinder creativity, innovation, and responsiveness to changing circumstances. Now, to conclude, in a nutshell, we can say by examining the dimensions of bureaucracy, sociologists gain insights into the organizational structures that shape our society and influence various aspects of our lives. It helps us understand how power is distributed, how efficiency is achieved, and the challenges that arise within bureaucratic systems.